Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account private. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, and once you're on here, click on the three lines on the top right. And if you scroll down, you should see account privacy, so you just want to select that. Then it should give you the option to toggle on or off private account. So if you toggle this on, they'll just give you the option to switch to private account, and it'll just let you know only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. And also no one can reuse your content. So you can switch that to private. And you also have an additional option of allow profile picture expansion. So you can either toggle that on or off as well. So this just means let people see a larger version of your profile picture to help them know that it's you. So that's how you can turn your Instagram account private. Thanks for watching,